Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. So, I just sold two more flags this past 24 hours, and it is the Norwegian flag and a Mexican flag. And as you can see, two of them are not finished yet, so I still gotta do some work. But today's Sunday, so I can work on them, and tomorrow when they open the post office, I can send them. But right now I'm gonna get to work and finish those two flags. One of them already sold, and the other one because I already repost another new listing. So I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow I wake up and that flag has already been sold. But right now I'm gonna show you my Norwegian flag, which is finished. It's ready to ship out. So I'm gonna show you in this video how this flag is made. But first I want to talk about how much money I made in only 7 days from $20. We live through very uncertain times. Yes, gas prices are through the roof, food very expensive, but what if I tell you that you can still find ways to make money? Look at the money I made on eBay from making a software with AI, 100% free. We're making some decals for a car installation. So of course, make sure you stay until the end and like this video. So the $20 is around, I spent around $4 or so for the fabric plus the thread and my time. So I calculate around $20 for all the 4 flags that I sold, or make it 22 just to be safe. But I earned $200 on eBay. But of course you have to consider the eBay fees, and the shipping is separate. So those $200 is from the price from the flags only. The shipping is not included. I charge for the shipping separately. But if you do the math, I still get around 160 free profit after eBay takes their cut. I think it's around 13%, 14%. I'm not sure. I have to double check, but it's still worth it. Compare my investment and my time. I take around, if I put all those 4 flags together, I will say I invested around 6 hours, which is worth, a day's at work. If let's say I go back to what I used to do, which is serving, that is worth 6 hours of stress dealing with customers, co-workers, and the boss. So I'd rather do this from home, just sitting here, relax, and take my time. So to me, that's worth it. But I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this side hustle? By the way, before I show you how this Norwegian flag is made, I really appreciate, guys, if you share this video, like this video, and also subscribe. So yeah, now here is how this flag is made.